Video begins with 3 seconds of complete silence. Slowly, ambient nature sounds and a low bass hum fade in. Noise, it's everywhere. Cars honking, phones buzzing, constant chatter. It surrounds you, engulfs you, and demands your attention. But what about its opposite? What about silence? That's where the real power is hiding. The world's most brilliant minds, from ancient philosophers to modern innovators, have understood this secret. And today, I'm going to show you why you need to embrace it too. It's not just a poetic idea. It's backed by science. Neuroscientists have made a groundbreaking discovery. Complete silence can actually stimulate the growth of new brain cells. Specifically in the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory, emotion, and learning. Think about that for a moment. While noise bombards and exhausts your brain, silence is literally rebuilding it, making it stronger and more capable. It's like a workout for your mind, but all you have to do is nothing, just be quiet. So if silence is so powerful, why do so many of us fear it? Why do we instinctively reach for our phones, turn on the TV, or put in earbuds the second things get quiet? Because when the outside world goes silent, the inner world gets loud. Silence forces you to confront your own thoughts, your anxieties, your dreams, your unresolved feelings. It strips away all the distractions and leaves you alone with yourself. For many, that's a terrifying prospect. It is easier to drown out that inner voice with a podcast or music than to actually listen to what it is trying to tell you. But avoiding it is avoiding your own truth. This is exactly how silence builds personal power. By facing that inner world, you start to understand it. This brings incredible mental clarity. The fog of constant distraction lifts, and you can see your goals and problems with a new, sharp focus. You also develop profound emotional control. Instead of reacting impulsively to every external trigger, you learn to respond thoughtfully. You become the master of your emotions, not their slave. This combination of clarity and control naturally leads to much stronger, more confident decision-making. You stop guessing and start knowing, guided by a mind that is calm, centered, and fully online. So how do you start? You don't need to book a ticket to a silent retreat in the mountains. You can begin right now, today, with a simple practice. Find a comfortable place to sit. For just 10 minutes, commit to absolute silence. No music, no podcasts, no phone, no talking. It might feel strange or even uncomfortable at first. Your mind will likely race, begging for a distraction. That's normal. Just let the thoughts come and go without judgment. Simply sit, breathe, and exist in the quiet. This small daily act is a powerful investment in yourself. As you make this a regular habit, you'll start to notice a shift. You'll feel calmer, more focused, and more in tune with yourself. You'll find creative solutions popping into your head during these quiet moments. You'll handle stress better. You'll become a better listener, not just to others, but to yourself. This isn't about becoming a hermit. It is about building an unshakable inner foundation that allows you to engage with the world more effectively and purposefully. It's about recharging your mental batteries so you can perform at your absolute best. Remember this life lesson. The loudest voices in the room are often just trying to be heard. They command attention, but rarely inspire real change. The truly transformative ideas, the world-altering breakthroughs, they don't come from the noise. They are born in the quiet. The loudest minds rarely change the world. The silent ones always do. So give yourself the gift of silence. Unlock the power that's already waiting inside you. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, please give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more content to help you level up your life. We'll see you in the next one.